Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here. I thought I'd give you a tour today of my new updated platform at HarveySilverFox.com. Make money online, training, and bonuses. So from the last tour video, you're going to see that I've changed a lot of things around. I've added a few things here. So let's talk about the free access to 2,000 leads. This is probably where you'd want to start anyway. Click here, get started. Free access to 2,000 leads. What you're going to do is come down here, click here to gain access to the 2,000 opportunity seeker leads. And of course, I have them in a spreadsheet here. Okay. I change this list a couple times a month, so check back often to pick up new leads. Now, if you work your way down here, of course, here's all the instructions here. Make sure you follow these instructions, very important. All the way down here, you can learn about the lead swap, 200,000 leads every week using our lead swap. So click here to the next lesson. Learn how to pick up 200,000 opportunity seeker leads every week. These are surveyed leads that have provided credit card info. They have indicated they're willing to spend $100 to get involved in the biz opportunity. And of course, here's a video that will walk you through. All right, let's go back. This is the live training room. I happen to be in the live training room right now. Simply going to click here, start here. Come down here, click on this banner here, and fill out this form so you can pick up your free video downline builder marketing system, and of course your free sizzle call number, and these other pieces of software and tools located here. Let's head on back. Now this happens to be Autobot marketing. This is where you're going to find software, the tools, the training. In other words, work smarter, not harder, placing your marketing on autopilot. So let's check it out. I have one right now, and of course I have many more that I'm going to add back here. This is called Converse Your Bot. Automate your lead generation using this bot. Click through and you're going to see there's a video here that explains. And if you want to pick that bot up, you're going to simply click here. Now, this is something brand new that I added today. Make money with GoPro in YouTube. You're going to be able to follow me and learn how I use GoPro to produce videos to upload on YouTube and other profit locations. So my first project is hunting scorpions in my house and backyard. Click through here. Now I'm going to be adding more projects as I go along here to give you some ideas how you can do the same thing I'm going to be doing by uploading these videos on YouTube and other locations out there, profit locations where somebody will pay me. If this video goes viral on YouTube, of course, I can plug in some advertising. So probably in a couple of days, I'm going to upload my first video. Now, Marty Bostic, my partner, gave me this idea because I go out every night and I hunt scorpions with my black light. And if you click through here, you're going to see that the video will be placed right here. Okay, let's head on back. All kinds of ways to make money online. I'm just giving you some ideas with this project here with my GoPro camera. Down here, video marketing domination. This is how you're going to find out how to rank your videos, how to produce your videos. In fact, I have everything that you need back here. Click here to access the directory. I have the training videos back here. I have the tools back here, everything that you need. In fact, this video I'm producing right now, I'm going to be using this software right here that'll rank this video. So work your way down here. Here's some case studies down here and all kinds of other videos explaining. And in fact, here's some production tools that I use every day. You're going to find everything you need right back here to produce your own videos. And remember, 75% of my income and my quality leads are generated from my video marketing. In fact, if you do this, if you type in Harvey Silver Fox on YouTube, you're going to see that I have over 1,000 videos that I've produced and made throughout the years. I try to do one every day. And there's no reason you can't do the same with those tools that I just showed you. I mean, I can go on and on. And a lot of these videos are from 4, 5, 6, 7 years ago that are still out there working for me 24/7. So go ahead, type in Harvey Silver Fox in quotation marks here, and you're going to see all the videos I have. And there's no reason you can't do the same thing. Here's my 6-figure email profits training course. Very important that you go through this course before you do anything, before you spend any money for marketing, before you spend any time posting on Facebook, before you do anything. Do not waste your time and effort before you go through this course, especially this one right here. There's a video that explains why 98% of online marketers fail or you won. Doesn't cost you anything for this course. It's, as you can see, it's detailed. I take you step by step by step. And once you finish this course, I think the light bulb is going to go on and say, hey, if you're not making a 6-figure income, you're going to say, hey, I know what I've been doing wrong, okay? This is the foundation for you making a 6-figure income online. Let's work our way down here. A webinar. Can I build a free webinar for your best money-making opportunity? Well, check it out here. Just schedule a time that we can meet in the live training room here, and I'll produce a webinar for your best money-making opportunity like I have for these members here. Won't charge you anything. Twitter coming soon. Facebook marketing. Oh, man. I've got a bundle of training courses that I need to add here. This is the first one I put in here. It's called the Auto Lead Monetizer Facebook Viral Marketing System. So click through here, start. Watch this video here. You're going to see how I use this plugin to have my images go viral on Facebook. So come in here, and I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to be adding more training back here. There's all kinds of training material, that things that I do every day to generate 50, 100 leads a day just from Facebook. So check back often. Let's keep working our way down here. Got leads. Here's some more lead ideas, some more training. Of course, Aweber, viral. This is a viral lead generator here. You check that out. And this method makes $214 per hour with 100% free traffic leads and offers $885 worth of bonuses. So check that one out there. ClickBank affiliate marketing. Well, I'm going to be adding ClickBank training back here, affiliate marketing. This one happens to be 10x commissions. It has over $800 worth of bonuses. The buyer acceleration method. Click here. This is a free one. Pick it up. It's a PDF file. Scroll down here. Click here to download the PDF file. And of course, coming soon, my blogging marketing, of which I have not set up yet. So this is the updated tour of the HarveySilverFox.com Make Money Online Training and Bonuses. Now, if you're watching this video on YouTube, just scroll down into the description of this video, click on the link, and you're going to be able to register to find your way into this platform. Also, keep in mind that everything that I do changes in a nanosecond, okay? So make sure that you watch your email, because I send out an email every day with some updates and new tools and new marketing techniques, new ways that I do things, such as this is a brand new one right here, Make Money with GoPro and YouTube. So watch those emails, and just keep in mind that, like I say, if you watch this video and it's a couple months from now, chances are it will be out of date, all right? Okay, you know what to do. Scroll down into the description of this video and click on that link down there and get into my platform, or go to HarveySilverFox.com.